Day 4. Asking and answering simple questions. Learn English for beginners. 30-day English challenge introduction. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Learn English with Tips. This is day 4 of our 30-day English challenge. Congratulations on reaching day 4. Every day you practice English, you become more confident and improve your communication skills. In our previous lessons, Day 1, Daily Conversation Basics. Day 2, Introducing Yourself in English. Day 3, Greetings and Everyday Expressions. Today, we're going to learn one of the most important communication skills in English. Asking and answering simple questions. Think about your daily life. Whenever you meet someone, you ask questions. Questions help us start conversations, make friends, get information, and communicate confidently. If you know how to ask and answer simple questions, you can speak English almost anywhere in school, at work, while traveling, shopping, or meeting new people. By the end of this lesson, you'll be able to ask basic English questions naturally, answer questions confidently, understand common question words, avoid common mistakes, practice real-life conversations. Let's begin. Why are questions important? Imagine you don't know someone's name. You ask, "What is your name?" You don't know the time. You ask, "What time is it?" You need help. You ask, "Can you help me?" Questions make communication possible. Without questions, conversations stop. The 6 main question words. English has 6 very common question words. Who, what, where, when, why, how. Let's learn them one by one. What we use, what to ask about things, names, jobs, ideas, or information. Examples. What is your name? My name is Sarah. What do you do? I'm a teacher. What is your favorite food? My favorite food is pizza. What time is it? It's 8:30. Practice conversation. A. What is your name? B. My name is Daniel. A. What do you do? B. I'm a student. Who we use who to ask about people. Examples. Who is your teacher? Mr. James. Who is calling? My brother. Who is your best friend? My best friend is Anna. Practice. A. Who is she? B. She's my sister. A. Who is he? B. He's my uncle. Where we use where to ask about places. Examples. Where are you from? I'm from Ethiopia. Where do you live? I live in Addis Ababa. Where is the hospital? It's next to the bank. Where are my keys? They're on the table. Conversation. A. Where do you work? B. I work at a hospital. When we use when to ask about time. Examples. When is your birthday? It's in June. When do you study English? Every evening. When does the movie start? At 7 o'clock. Why we use why to ask for reasons. Examples. Why are you learning English? Because I want to study abroad. Why are you happy? Because I passed my exam. Why are you late? Because there was heavy traffic. How we use how to ask about condition, manner, or method. Examples. How are you? I'm fine. How do you go to work? By bus. How old are you? I'm 22 years old. How much is this? It's $10. How many brothers do you have? I have 2 brothers. Yes or no questions. Sometimes we only need yes or no. Examples: are you a student? Yes, I am. Do you like coffee? Yes, I do. Can you swim? Yes, I can. Is she your sister? No, she isn't. Have you finished? Yes, I have. Using do and does used to with ayui they examples. Do you like English? Do they play football? Do we have homework? Use does with he she at examples. Does she speak English? Does he work here? Does your brother study English? Conversation A. Do you like music? B. Yes, I do. Does your sister play football? B. No, she doesn't. Using can use can to ask about ability or permission. Examples: can you swim? Yes, I can. Can you help me? Of course. Can I come in? Yes, please. Can I borrow your pen? Sure. Daily life questions: what's your name? Where are you from? How old are you? What do you do? Where do you live? Do you have any brothers or sisters? What are your hobbies? Do you like English? What's your favorite movie? Can you drive? Practice answering each question in complete sentences. School conversation: teacher, good morning. Student, good morning. Teacher, what's your name? Student, my name is David. Teacher, how old are you? Student, I'm 15 years old. Teacher, where do you live? Student, I live in Addis Ababa. Teacher, do you like English? Student, yes, I do. Friends conversation: John, hi. Emma, hello. John, how are you? Emma, I'm doing well. John, what are you doing? Emma, I'm studying English. John, do you study every day? Emma, yes, I do. John, great. Shopping conversation: customer, excuse me. Shopkeeper, yes. Customer, how much is this shirt? Shopkeeper, it's $20. Customer, can I try it on? Shopkeeper, of course. Customer, thank you. Restaurant conversation: waiter, good evening. Customer, good evening. Waiter, may I take your order? Customer, yes, please. Waiter, what would you like? Customer, I'd like a chicken sandwich and orange juice. Waiter, anything else? Customer, no, thank you. Telephone conversation: Anna, hello. Peter, hi, Anna. Anna, who's speaking? Peter, it's Peter. Anna, how are you? Peter, I'm great. Anna, why did you call? Peter, I wanted to invite you to my birthday party. Anna, I'd love to come. Common mistakes: cross mark, what your name? White heavy check mark, what is your name? Cross mark, where you live. White heavy check mark, where do you live? Cross mark, you like English. White heavy check mark, do you like English? She like music. White heavy check mark, does she like music? Cross mark, how old you are. White heavy check mark, how old are you? Pronunciation practice. Repeat after me. What is your name? Where are you from? How are you? What do you do? Do you like English? Can you help me? Why are you happy? When is your birthday? Who is your teacher? How much is this? Repeat each sentence 3 times. Speak slowly. Speak clearly. Confidence comes with practice. Speaking challenge: answer these questions aloud without reading. 1. What's your name? 2. Where are you from? 3. How old are you? 4. What do you do? 5. What's your favorite food? 6. Do you like English? 7. Why are you learning English? 8. Can you swim? 9. Where do you live? 10. What are your hobbies? Try speaking for 2 minutes without stopping. Don't worry if you make mistakes. Every mistake helps you learn. Homework. Today's homework is simple. Write answers to all 10 questions in your notebook. Practice asking these questions with a friend or family member. Record yourself answering each question. Listen to your recording and improve your pronunciation. Repeat this practice every day for 1 week. Quick review. Today you learned the 6 main question words. How to ask yes/no questions. How to use do, does, and can. How to answer questions in complete sentences. Common daily life conversations. School, shopping, restaurant, and telephone dialogues. Common grammar mistakes. Pronunciation tips. Speaking practice for confidence. Excellent work. You have successfully completed day 4 of our 30-day English challenge. Remember, asking questions is one of the fastest ways to improve your English speaking skills. The more questions you ask, the more conversations you can have. Practice today's questions with friends, classmates, or even by speaking to yourself in front of a mirror. Every conversation brings you 1 step closer to fluency. If you enjoyed this lesson, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with anyone learning English. In day 5, we'll learn talking about your family, where you'll discover useful vocabulary, sentence patterns, and real-life conversations to describe your family confidently in English. Thank you for watching. Keep practicing, keep speaking, and I'll see you in the next lesson.